What will happen when you press run? Nothing. The function is not called in the program. The artist will draw a single square. The artist will draw two squares that overlap. The artist will draw two squares with a small gap in between.